What's up, guys? So I decided to go fishing this afternoon, back to that same pond I went to in my previous video, just because I saw so many topwater blow ups. So I'm coming back with the combat lunker frog, get some frog fishing in, and hopefully I get some pretty awesome blow ups for you guys. Got the frog tied on. So when I told my buddies I was going to go fishing, and I was telling them about the Barbie rod challenge, it just so happens he had one in the back of his truck. So I'm gonna take this guy or girl, hopefully I can land a fish on. Let's go fishing. I apologize for the sound quality because it looks like we might have some rain move in before dark, and these GoPros are a little expensive, just leaving out to get rid of my water. So let's go see if we can get bigger and blow up on our frog. I'm going to start out with the Barbie rod. I got the drag set wide open on this thing. Because he said this is the same line that came on it. And we have no idea how long it's been in the back of this truck. I'm going to set this worm to where it's barely weakness.
Oh, there he is. Oh. Oh yeah, guys. This is it right here. Now I just gotta land this fish.
Challenge complete. Get that noise. One rod challenge. Boom. Next.
Alright. Let's put this bad boy up. Let's do some frog fishing. Oh, oh, oh man, oh. Woo, that was a big daddy. That was a big blow up right there. That's what we're looking for. Oh, y'all, the blow up is intense in that corner. I am shaking right now. That's what you live for right there, baby. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. I think it's just the kayak. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Finally.
First one on the frog. On the combat lunker frog.
As you guys saw, I don't always have a good day of fishing. I mean, it was still pretty fun. The blow-ups were awesome. Got to complete the Barbie challenge, Barbie rod challenge. I don't know what was going on. I just could not set the hook. I'm starting to think it's the kayak. I think I'm growing out of the whole kayak fishing scene. Nah, I just couldn't get it done, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe. See y'all next time.